Welcome to Market Peeker. Thinking about diving into Forex, but don't want to risk real money yet? Opening a demo Forex trading account is the best way to learn and practice without any financial risk. Let's break down the steps. First, pick a reputable broker that offers demo accounts. Most major brokers do. Head to their website, look for demo account or practice account, and sign up. You'll just need to fill in basic info like your name, email, and phone number. Some brokers even let you select your virtual balance and leverage, so you can customize it to fit your trading goals. After you sign up, you'll get login credentials for a trading platform like MetaTrader or CTrader. Download the platform, log in, and you're ready to explore. A demo account allows you to experiment with trades, test strategies, and get familiar with the interface, all with virtual funds. It's as close to real trading as you can get, but with zero financial risk. A quick tip: treat your demo trading like it's real money. Practice risk management, set stop losses, and test different strategies. This way, you'll be fully prepared when you switch to a live account.